Y'all, I think we have 14 of these Get Ready With Me videos. It's truly a process today. And that is because I do not normally take this much trouble. And y'all know I put some time in getting ready, but today is because of date night and that I'm getting really dressed up. That's why I'm taking so much time. For those of you who go, Beth, I just don't have that kind of time. I don't either. Except it's a Saturday and I can today. But I've literally spent the whole day doing makeup and hair. Okay. There. So see? That's quite a wing. This is a very dressy look. This is not something you would do every day. Obviously, I wouldn't wear these earrings out every day either. This is a very dressy look. So again, you can see there's my wing. And now I need to quickly finish that mascara because it's drying. Here we are. So we're tipping the ends.
Tip the ends.
Baby, I'm getting all pretty for you.
I see that.
Look at my fancy earrings.
Oh, how fancy.
To go with my black and silver sweater. We had to tone down my eyes though because they were very bronze, and so we had to add a pink champagne highlighter over it.
Well, of course you did.
And so, but now it looks really pretty because the pink champagne and the bronze looks fantastic.
You can call it champagne bronze.
That's what we're going to call it. The champagne bronze look. There we go. Okay, because I waited on that mascara, it dried and it's a real problem. Now I'm having a tough time combing through it. That's okay because I want a real dramatic lashes tonight too, because I don't wear false lashes. I've tried them. We don't get along. So I just I really build my volume through mascara. I've tried the lash extensions and I had an allergic response. That's what we thought when I had the allergic response on my fingernails. I thought it was, cosmetic glue because I thought maybe it was that. And they kept saying, oh, it's all natural. Poison ivy is natural. It doesn't mean it's okay. I remember my husband said that to a young man who was smoking pot. He says, dude, it's from God. It's all natural. He says, so is poison ivy. That doesn't mean you should smoke it. The guy quit smoking pot, by the way, which I'm glad. I'm very big on not believing in pot being legalized. And I will tell you, it definitely has more effects than they're telling people on your brain. Not to mention it's unfiltered for your lungs. It's just so bad for you. And it also impairs you. You're not just like alcohol where you have a mood alteration. You have an actual mind alteration. It's a mild hallucinogen. And it's not an opiate or amphetamine or depressant. It is a hallucinogen family drug. And yes, I'm using my channel to say, please do not ever vote for that being legalized. You'll be so sorry. And people say for economic reasons and control reasons, don't legalize it. I'm telling you. It'll be the worst thing in the world. You think it's bad now having drunk drivers. Stone drivers, oh my gosh, because they're seeing different. And they'll tell you they don't. I have plenty of people, friends who are pro marijuana being legalized. I'm like, okay, we got to talk. By the way, y'all, don't always hang out with people who believe exactly what you believe, because sometimes God, well, you need to have that base. But sometimes God wants to use you to be the catalyst for change. And you have to become friends and earn your right to be heard first. So I would never engage in whatever they're doing you don't believe in. Nor would I hang out with that type of behavior. But you want to be friends with unbelievers. You want to be friends with people who believe differently than you if you're ever going to help cause change to happen. Because people listen to their friends. They're not going to listen to a stranger. And sometimes that doesn't even work. It's really got to be God that makes change happen, doesn't it? All right, for some reason I have got some little makeup brush hairs, and I don't know which one it was because Sigma usually never has fall out of their hairs. They're very well in the. This is a, what is this? This is a Makeup Geek cheek highlighting brush, but I use this just to flick away boo-boo stuff, and that's exactly what's happening. I have some boo-boos. Also, I can use it to kind of blend down this area by the eyes a little bit. Just kind of tone things down. And just because I'm kind of knocking some of it off by what I'm doing. Okay, so there, that is my final look with a nude lip. I will tell you I will not do a nude lip. I will add a red lip to this. And that will make me look super made up though. It's the only thing. I don't know. Maybe I should do a nude lip tonight. What do y'all think? Because I've got a very heavy eye look. And that's when you do a nude lip. What do y'all think? Lancey? Do you think I should do a red lip or a nude lip tonight since I have heavy eye makeup?
Yeah.
He didn't care. Okay. I'm going to blot. And I'm going to go with a nude lip tonight. Because I do have heavy cheeks and heavy eyes. Again, this is nude for me. This is pink. Darling Pink, number 57. Y'all know I usually do soft rose, but I do want to shake it up tonight. And I use Strawberry Red for my red. But if I just did a wing liner only, that would be okay. But I've got a lot of dark color on my eyes. So what do y'all think? Be honest. I just feel like it washes me out. But it does make you look more at the eyes. What do y'all think? And I probably, here's the other thing about this hairstyle. It looks very sleek, very now. But I like big hair. I just keep wanting to foof it up. When you do that, it takes away the sleek looks. It's like, I don't know. But I do have to do this to make sure you can see my earrings. Got to see my earrings. So. I'll show you my hair care products that I used to get this piecey looking, which again looks a little more modern. You just literally take your fingers and just piece your hair. And it's like a wax that you put on the tip ends of your hair so that you can get this look. And then just spread out my bangs a little. No, I want a little more piecey look there too. Don't want it too feathered out. So that's the look. What do y'all think? I put the gloss on. Just set it now. Let's dry just a second. It usually doesn't even need any time. You can put it straight on. Okay, it's me. I'm going to go put on my black and silver sparkle sweater and my black velvet slacks and my little black booties. And that's going to be it. So this has been one of the longest ever. Get ready with me. Remember, by the way, put your lipstick in your handbag. I'm going to, go down to a smaller handbag. You always do that for evening wear. Don't take your big old bulky bag. But take the things that are essentials, like your little medical stuff and a lipstick and a powder or blush, whichever one you feel you will need to touch up on. I'm going to do my blush, but then I'm going to just keep powder with me. I don't know. I don't think I'll need powder. I don't think I'm going to need anything. But, in your keys and ID stuff. But other than that, don't take a lot in a handbag on an evening like tonight, because you don't want to mess around in your purse a lot. So I'll have the tickets to the event in my purse, and also always leave room for your husband's wallet, which he will inevitably hand to you at the last minute and say, hey, babe, do you have room for this? And you do want to make it a nice time. So you say, of course I do, sweetheart. I planned for it. And I really did. Y'all just heard me. We're going to plan for it. Okay, y'all, that's the look. That's it. I can't stop piecing it. Need to go spray it real quick. Love you guys. Thanks for hanging with me this long. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye! Oh, gosh, all my dogs already took a nap.